हेलो एंड वेलकम अगेन। सो एक और प्रॉब्लम आया था टीएफआर में। जिसमें एक सिस्टम गिवन था जहाँ पे हमारा एक रॉड गिवन था। सो दिस वाज आवर रॉड whose total length was L. ओके, एंड मिड पॉइंट पे, सो दिस वाज आवर मिड पॉइंट जहाँ पे एक मास M अटैच था, राइट। एंड वन एंड वाज अटैच टू अ स्ट्रिंग जिसका स्ट्रिंग कांस्टेंट K था। ओके, एंड इन द स्टैटिक केस ये एक एंगल बना रहा था सीलिंग के साथ, और हमको ये एंगल बताना था ये थीटा कितना होगा। ओके, सो दिस इज स्टैटिक केस। सो हम क्या कर लेंगे, हम कंडीशन लेंगे, because we know for static case forces and torques should be balanced. Okay, so हम इस वाले रेफरेंस पॉइंट से जो ये वाला सीलिंग वाला पॉइंट है इसके अबाउट हम टॉर्क निकालेंगे। ओके, सो यहाँ पे दो टॉर्क्स होंगे। सो टॉर्क टू दिस मास, so let me call it T1, and torque to the spring. Okay, let me call it tau 2. So at equilibrium torques must balance it. That means tau 1 should be equals to tau, right? So this is the condition for equilibrium in static case. Also forces must also equal to zero. Total force is zero. Okay, so tau 1 equal to tau. Now tau 1 किसके बराबर है? Because there will be force mg downwards. So यहाँ पे फोर्स जो होगा that will be mg, right? So tau 1 होगा बराबर mg times L/2, because it's attached at L/2 distance, times sine of theta equals to, now what is tau 2? Tau 2 is the torque due to the string whose constant is k. So हम लिखेंगे that is the distance taken from this to this point, so that will be uh, k, that is the force, will be k times delta x, that is the uh, elongation in the string. Okay, that is our Hooke's law, times length, that is L, times this angle. Okay, so this angle we have to consider, which will be actually um, 90 plus theta, right? So let me show how it will be 90 plus theta. So it is the configuration like this. So we have the spring, and this is the angle theta. So we have to consider this theta, because we know this will be 90 minus theta, then this angle will be 180 minus 90 minus theta, which will be simply 90 plus theta. Okay, so sine of 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta, but we know sine of 90 plus theta is cos theta. So mgl/2 sine of theta equals to k times delta x L cos of theta, right? Now we had to also equate the forces. So total force downward equals to mg, which will be equal to the string force, that will be k times delta x. So from here we'll get delta x, which will be equals to mg by k. Okay, so we have the elongation. So this will substitute here. Then what we'll get? We'll get mgl by sine of theta equals to k times delta x के बदले mg by k times L cos of theta. Now mg cancels out, k cancels out, L cancels out. So we have sine theta by cos theta equals to 2. इस तरफ जाएगा 2, or you can say tan of theta equals to 2, or theta equals to tan inverse of 2. So this is the answer. Okay, in static case.